If you want to disable AdBlocker in Chrome, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn off your AdBlock extension, whether you want to pause it for one site, disable it for a while, or remove it completely from Chrome. This is a simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to manage your extensions in just a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the 3 vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access your browser settings and tools. From here, hover over Extensions. Depending on your Chrome version, you may see a submenu, or you may see the puzzle piece icon near the address bar. You can also click that puzzle piece icon directly. Once you're in the Extensions area, select Manage Extensions. This will take you to the page where all of your installed Chrome extensions are listed. Now look through the list and find your AdBlock extension. It may be called AdBlock, uBlock Origin, AdBlock Plus, or something similar, depending on what you installed. Once you find it, you'll see a blue switch on the extension card. If you want to disable the AdBlocker temporarily, just toggle that switch off. As soon as you do that, the extension will stop running in Chrome. If you want to remove it completely instead of just turning it off, you can click Remove and confirm the deletion. That will uninstall the extension from your browser entirely. After that, refresh the web page you were trying to use, and the site should now load without the AdBlocker interfering. If you only needed to disable it for testing, streaming, or viewing a specific website, you can always come back and turn it back on later by flipping the switch on again. And that's it. You now know how to disable AdBlocker in Chrome in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one.